Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, elevator pitch. How can you create an elevator pitch for your cleaning business? An elevator pitch doesn't have to be so short as an elevator ride from one floor to another. It just means that it's a relatively short, quick, compact way of trying to get the attention of the person you'd like to maybe be your next client, to tell them what's different about you, what you offer, and why they maybe should give you a chance to put in a proposal to clean their business. And probably what should be in that elevator pitch. Well, when you're first starting, I know I felt this way at first. I'm going to say, listen, I'm experienced, we're bonded, we're licensed, we're insured. Well, that I learned, and I'm sure you're learning too, doesn't necessarily really get their attention. In fact, that may just fade out. They may just ignore that and kind of not pay attention because it's kind of standard anymore in many ways. Not everybody, but you hear that a lot. So what would grab the attention of your prospect in a short elevator pitch? Well, let me give you just one idea. What if they said, well, what do you do? What if you said, well, I'm glad you asked. I'm pretty excited, actually. In the last 3 years, I started a cleaning business, an office cleaning company. And I'm now up to 15 businesses that trust myself. And by the way, I do have a team, a small team, but I know them. I trust my team. I've trained them. I inspect their work. I work with them. They're very loyal. It's been terrific. And so I love where we're at right now. And our customers just seem to think so too. But it is interesting. I noticed you have a building. I would be happy to come out and just tell you a plan of how we work for them and how we might work for you. That's a little bit different than I'm bonded, licensed, and insured, right? It shows that you're kind of excited about the business you're in. It kind of tells how you've grown now to a number of buildings you clean. It talks about the pride that you have in your people. And what is that prospect worried about? Well, they're awfully worried about who's going to be cleaning their business at night or during the day, mostly at night, probably for office cleaning. So it really sends some good messages to them that they might be interested. And then simply to say, listen, we're looking to add 1 or 2 customers for next month. Well, now they feel a little bit of sense of urgency, fear of loss, that's special. They may say, yeah, why don't you stop out and tell me a plan of how you could help my business? Your elevator pitch can certainly be different than that, but you want to think a little creatively about what would be different than I'm just bonded, licensed, and insured, right? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.